Hey there, welcome to the channel. So today I have this 3-pack of briefs to share with you guys. So let's take a closer look at all the features so we can jump into the try-on and see how they fit. Starting here on the inside back, you can see that these briefs are tagless and that they are a 95% cotton, 5% spandex blend. So that cotton is of course going to make them nice and soft, and that spandex is going to give them some stretch to help everything move with you. Moving here to the waistband is an unbranded waistband and it's the same material all the way around. It is flat on both sides and it comes in at just under 1.5 inches. Jumping down to those leg openings, you can see that the quality of the stitching actually looks really nice. And it does have some nice stretch around the leg bands to keep everything against your legs without being constricting. Looking here at the front of the briefs, you can see that it is a pouch design, and you can actually see that in the way they're manufactured. Both on the outside here as well as the inside, you can see what kind of room is available. All right, guys, let's get these things on and see what the fit looks like. So here we have them on, as you can see, and we'll start here with the cut. Now, they are considered a low rise, so they're going to fit nicely beneath pants and jeans. They're also considered a bikini style cut, which I will say I disagree with that just a little bit. I feel like this is a little wider than most bikini cuts are, but it is a very high leg opening here. I don't find this to be constricting. I don't find it to be saggy or anything, and it's only been one wash and dry, so we don't know what time's going to do to that. But overall, comfortable fit around the legs. And a nice high cut, so a little bit of cooling there if you don't like a lot of fabric over your legs. We also have that pouch design in the front. I do feel that it offers plenty of room and that it's nice and comfortable. Finally, on the back side, you can see it is full seat coverage. Overall, I do think these are a good fit for the size I picked. All right, now per usual, guys, I have worn these and washed and dried them and worn them again. Now, I will say there is a little bit of shrinking that is going to happen with these because of that cotton and spandex blend. So if you look here, you can see that I only had just a little bit of shrinking between that gray pair that's been washed and dried and the blue pair that is yet to be worn. Now, with that being said, sizing runs from small to extra large on these. That lower end of the small is a 28-inch waist, and the upper end of the XL is a 42-inch waist. I did size up to a medium, but I actually find that they fit really well before and after the washing. So unless you like that tighter fit, I would definitely go with the size up. When it comes to colors, this 3-pack has the gray that I have here, this light blue color, as well as black. Now, there are no other color varieties available. It is a 3-pack as shown here. For overall comfort, the waistband is nice. I'm not feeling any irritation with it, and it's not rolling down on me. The leg openings are offering plenty of stretch to them to keep them up against my leg without being any kind of droopiness to them, and they're also not constricting. And I do feel that the pouch area has ample room for me. Now, these are a flyless design, and if you've watched videos here before, you do know that I often prefer a fly design to my brief, just for easy access. These are comfortable, though. I don't have any issues with them. What are your thoughts on these briefs? Is this something you want to check out? If so, that link is down in the description, so feel free to click it so you can get all the information about them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.